Hello guys, welcome to Code Channel. Today we will learn what are data types in JavaScript. So basically we differentiate data types into two categories, that is primitive and non-primitive. Primitive. We will check like what makes that difference. So primitive are the ones which serve only one purpose, which serves only one purpose. I repeat it, okay? And now we have non-primitive. So non-primitive are the ones which can serve multiple purposes. I write in short, multi-purpose. So, when we start explaining it, what is one purpose? That is, and if I give an example as a number data type, which can hold only number in it, that doesn't solve me like another purpose, like I need to like store 10 different numbers. That cannot be solved in primitive data type, right? Only it can hold only one single number in it. But when we come to non-primitive, like for example array is a non-primitive which like solves me like multiple purposes. That is one thing. Like I want to store multiple like numbers in it, it will be solved. And I can store any data types, any primitive data types in arrays. And yeah, so on and so forth. When we have a purpose of list of purposes, then we can decide for which one to go. So if I want to like store only one single number, then I will use a primitive data type. When I need to like have multi purposes, like I need to store multiple values or an key value pair I need, then I can use object. So like these are the purposes, and depending upon that purpose I will use the data type suitable for that. So we will see what are the data types that are in the list of primitive. So that are, first is number, string, undefined, null, and boolean. These are the primitive data types. And now when we go to non-primitive, we have a list, that is array and object. So um, so this is a like basic difference between primitive and non-primitive data types in JavaScript. So another main difference is primitive data types has like it don't have any properties and methods to it. Don't have any properties and methods to it. So like this is the other difference of primitive and non-primitive. When we come to non-primitive, it has properties and methods to it. So now, like what is properties and what is methods? So basically, properties are the ones like length. So like I'm giving an example. If I go to methods, we will call it with a round bracket, which has like when we call with an round common bracket, that is the methods. So like primitive data types don't have any properties or methods inbuilt to it, and non-primitives are the ones which have methods and properties inbuilt to it. That is, we can know arrays like length, arrays type, and like we have n number of methods for non-primitive data types. So um, we will start learning that now. And now I think you guys will get a doubt then why like strings can have an like property or a method. That's because string, when it is running internally, it get converted to object. So that's why it has an properties and methods to it. So this is the basic difference between like primitive and non-primitive, and why string have an like properties and methods to it, because when it run internally it get converted to object. So object is non-primitive and we have n number of properties and methods to it. So this is why even string, even though it is in a primitive data type list, it has an methods and properties to it. So guys, this is like small video I wanted to share with you guys about data types in JavaScript. And I will meet you guys in the next video, and we will learn how type conversion is done, and we will also check like in depth with the string. And please comment down below, guys, like what topics you need and what you are feeling about the like videos, and any suggestions like so that I can improve on it. And whatever the topics you want, please comment on. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like when I do a new video, you will get an update on it, and even both of us can learn from each other. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.